If you died today, now would the world remember you as the man you truly were? Or the man who never showed up for his own life? Because every second you stay stuck, your greatness rots in silence. But today, we burn the silence down. Marcus Aurelius once wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events." So why are you letting life control you? Why are you bowing to weakness, to comfort, to fear? This is not just another motivational video. This is your battlefield. And only one version of you is walking out alive. You don't need more time. You don't need more motivation. You need a reset. Because the man you've become, he's a ghost and it's time to bury him. So the real you can rise from the ashes. So now ask yourself, are you ready to reset, restart, and refocus? Because the life you were meant to live starts right now. The decision to reignite. Reset. Burn the past to free your future. Some of you are walking through life carrying a coffin on your back, your past. Old mistakes, past heartbreaks, voices telling you you'll never change. They echo in your mind like chains rattling in the dark. But here's a truth Marcus Aurelius knew 900 years ago. The past is no longer yours, only the present, and how you respond belongs to you. Let's take a real example. You failed in your last business. Your partner cheated. You let yourself go. So what? Those are ashes now. The only thing that matters is what you build from the flame they left behind. You're not defined by what broke you. You're defined by what you build after the fall. When Marcus wrote, "Waste no more time arguing what a good man should be one," he wasn't writing poetry. He was laying out the challenge. Kill your old self. Burn the man who couldn't fight. And rise. Reset is not about forgetting. It's about releasing. Releasing the weight that's crushing your potential. Look at your reflection today and say, I am not him. I am becoming. 2. Restart. The power is in beginning. Again, most people fear starting over because they think it means failure. But let me hit you with something harder. Staying stuck is the real failure. You lost it all? You got knocked flat? Good. That's the Forge, that's your Marcus moment. That's your battlefield to transform pain into purpose. Think of the athlete who tears his ACL. Career over, right? No, the restart comes when he gets up before dawn every morning, rebuilding his body and soul piece by piece. That's real power. Seneca said, "Difficulties strengthen the mind as labor strengthens the body." So stop whining about the rubble. Start building the damn fortress. Because every day you delay restarting, you hand power back to your past. Remember this, the greats were not spared destruction. They were reborn in it. Refocus. Lock in or fade away. You want success, peace, power. Then, stop acting like you've got unlimited time. Look around. People are scrolling their lives away, chasing 10 dreams at once, ending up with none. They want to be great, but spend more time watching other people live than creating their own legacy. Epictetus reminds us, wealth consists not in having great possessions, but in having few wants. So ask yourself, what do you truly want? Not what looks good on Instagram, not what society told you to chase, but the one thing that ignites your soul when you're alone in silence. Then lock in. Laser focus. Tunnel vision. If it doesn't get you closer to your mission, it's a distraction. Cut it. Cold. When I was broke, betrayed, and mentally lost, I kept grinding on a single vision. To become someone I respected in the mirror. That vision didn't come from motivation. it came from obsession. It's not that successful people have more talent. They just refuse to let distractions dilute their focus. Focus like your future depends on it, because it does. Protect your energy. Not everyone deserves access to you. Some of you are drained, not because you're weak, but because you let weak people drain you. People who criticize but never create. People who take but never pour into you. People who smile in your face but rot your mind. It's time to get ruthless with your circle. You don't owe explanations. You don't owe loyalty to energy vampires. Cut them off like dead limbs if they don't nourish your mission. Ask yourself, would Marcus have let gossipers, complainers, and leeches walk beside him into battle? No, and neither should you. Your energy is sacred. Guard it like a lion guards its pride, and the right people, those who honor your grind, will rise to meet you. Discipline over feelings. Make it a lifestyle. Here's the hard truth. Feelings are liars. They will tell you, take a break. You're tired. You'll do it tomorrow. Discipline says, do it anyway. Motivation is a sugar high. Discipline is the iron chain that keeps you grounded when everything inside you wants to run. Think about that time you didn't want to go to the gym, but did. That quiet victory? That's the seed of greatness. And when Marcus wrote, "The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way," he meant it literally. The obstacle is not in your way. It is the way. When you lean into the pain, the discomfort, the resistance, you build something no one can take from you. You become a man who doesn't fold, a man who's dangerous, not to others, but to weakness itself. The final truth. No, one's coming to save you. You are the storm. You are the resurrection. No mentor, no girlfriend, no quote, no video is going to save you. This is your battlefield now. You either burn down the weak version of yourself or die a slow death of regret. One excuse at a time. Choose to reset, restart, refocus, protect your energy, and discipline yourself beyond emotion. Become the man your past self would fear. Become the man your future self will thank. Become the man the world cannot ignore. You made it to the end, and that means one thing. You're not like the rest. You didn't scroll away. You didn't run from the truth. You stood here, faced your demons, and listened to the fire, and for that, I respect you. But remember this. Knowledge without action is wasted potential. So if this message struck a chord, if it challenged you, woke something up inside you, don't let it fade. Drop a comment below and declare it. I'm destroying my weakness starting today. Let the world know you're stepping into your power. Subscribe to join the movement. We're not here for hype. We're here for transformation. Hit the like button if this message lit a fire in you. And if you're on a journey and need support, whether you're lost, rebuilding, or just need a voice to remind you that you're not alone, leave a comment. Reach out. This is a brotherhood. We rise together. Because the Stoic path, it's not easy, but it is worth it. And you don't have to walk it alone. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your courage. And above all, thank you for choosing to fight for the man you were meant to become. This is Stoic Voyage and your transformation that has only just begun.